In our definition, biodiversity means the variety of life in an ecosystem. It includes different species, their genes, and the habitats they live in. Sustainability means using natural resources in a responsible way so that the environment can stay healthy for future generations. These concepts are important because whales support biodiversity, and protecting whales is part of sustainability.
Whales are much more important than most people think. They move nutrients through the ocean, which helps phytoplankton grow. Phytoplankton produce about half of the oxygen we breathe. Whales also help store carbon, which reduces climate change. So helping whales doing us humans a favor.
This idea is supported by a primary scientific study called the whale pump. The graph shows how whales bring nutrients like nitrogen to the surface through their movement and waste. This increases phytoplankton growth, and each whale can store around 33 tons of carbon. This research proves that whales directly support biodiversity and climate stability.
And why whales matter here is the reason why whales support the ocean food web. The nutrients they bring to the surface help small organisms grow. These organisms feed fish and many other animals, so when whale numbers drop, marine biodiversity becomes weaker.
Even though whales are important, they still face serious threats today. One of the major threats is ship strikes. Whales often cannot detect fast-moving ships. Collisions can cause deep injuries or even death.
This news article is from Hawaii News Now in 2024. It reports a humpback whale calf near Maui that was tragically hit by a vessel. The calf suffered serious injuries, and officials confirmed the harm was likely caused by a ship's propeller. This painful incident makes it clear ship strikes are not just a distant concern, but a real urgent threat right here in Hawaii.
Conclusion: yes, the news supports the research because ship strikes reduce whale numbers, which weakens the ecological benefits. The news supports the research. The study shows that whales are important for nutrients and ocean health. But the news shows a real case where a whale calf was injured by a ship. This means human activities affect whales' numbers, which weakens the ecological benefits described in the research.
There are simple actions people can take, such as following the 100-yard rule, slowing down boats, and reporting injured whales. Policies also help, like 10-knot speed limits, sonar restrictions, and quiet zones to reduce noise. And all this brings the question, did these policies work?
Commercial whaling reduced whales' numbers by more than 95%. Because historical records were limited and not reliable, scientists cannot give an exact number for the 1970s or 1980s. But after protections were added, the population slowly recovered. Today, scientists estimate that there are about 10,000 to 15,000 humpback whales in the North Pacific. This shows that the policies are working.